Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to start tearing off some panels off of my Trans Am. As you can see, tires are off, the car's on jack stands, and I'm just kind of diving straight in for it. So let's get it. I don't know the best way to take this off. I should probably open the garage. I should have took the hood off before I put it on jack stand so I can actually crawl in there. Oh well. Holy. I'm opening the garage. It was heavier, but also lighter than I thought. So I might call it here for the night. Not for you. It'll just keep going, obviously. But progress. All right, so we are going to start taking off both the fenders. It's pretty cold in Texas today, yesterday. It's been a cold 2 months for the beginning of the year, but we're here nonetheless. So first thing, bolt. There's a bolt somewhere right there-ish. I don't know if you can see it. 2 bolts, cross radiator support bolt. There's a bolt here, and then the other side, I don't know if I'll be able to show that one that well, but there's one right there. Bottom side has 2. One right here that's actually almost off, and then there's another one right about here. So I'm gonna go take those out, put you on time lapse, and then we can get both of those off. Got both of them off. The driver's side actually gave me a pretty hard time because I'll show you right now, but the bolt that goes right here, this J clip, or I don't C clip, broke, and I just couldn't break it off. But yeah, I need to take the radiator core support off because it's, as you can see, it's very, very tilted now. I have polyurethane bushings for, here, body bushings. So I think there's 4 under the car itself and then 2 here. So let's just stiffen it up. I don't want to go solid because That doesn't sound fun. Next thing might be the door. Oh, speaking about the doors, here's that other panel or bolt that holds the fender up. So you just gotta open the door, and it'll be right there. Excuse the leaves. This car has been sitting outdoors for years, as you can see inside. So yeah, I think I might take the doors off next. I believe it's only 6 bolts, so 3 right there, and then 3 more down there. The only thing is I am kind of scary because this door is kind of heavy, and I don't really have a great way to do it besides having the jack under there. But I think we'll figure it out. But yeah, hopefully doors come off next, and that might be it for me as of today. Not the video, but today. I still need to take off the column and maybe the brakes, but I think after I do doors, column, and pedals, I think that'll be the end of the video. But yeah, solid progress. To be honest, this is my first time ever taking a car apart this far. Will I be able to put it back? Probably not, but we'll figure that out when we gotta get there, because the other panel is rusted, so we might have to get new panels for it. But here we go. As you can see, it's rotted through. But yeah, here's the bolt. Right there. There you go. It broke wherever it holds in, and yeah, it was really hard to get off. So I might have to get a new fender. But yeah, next step. Okay, I took the other side off because I didn't want to look like an idiot trying to get it on video and it falling, which it did fall anyways, but not that bad. So the original 4 bolts, I said were on the inside, but I decided to take them off from the outer part, I guess from the shell instead from the door. It's a little easier, and then I was kind of able to kind of like straddle. You'll see, but yeah. So there's 6 bolts here too. So I'm gonna loosen it up, and then I'm gonna crack the door open, and yeah. So there is 3 bolts here. I don't want to move the camera because it's too much work, but there's 3 bolts basically, and they're like that, if you kind of imagine. So it's like a triangle. The bottom one on the closest to the inside is in the way as soon as you start opening the door. So I'm gonna take it off. Start open the door a little bit more. Okay. All right, someone lower the jack. Oh my gosh. This is heavy, in case you were wondering. Okay, as you can see, doors off, fender is off, other door is off, and the other fender is somewhere over there. Now we have finally a open carcass. Kind of hurts my heart to see it like this, but to be honest, it's much needed. So I'm gonna stop here today. Next time, I guess the next clip you see will be me for sure taking the steering column off and then the brake pedal. Maybe the core support, and I guess just figuring out what I'm gonna start cutting. I don't know. Most of the toe board, I guess like where the tunnel was pretty good. So I might just replace, like, so you can see the rust part that's eaten up. And then just, I don't know, I might roll it outside, put the wheels back on, kind of power wash it, kind of see what's really needed. But if you have any advice, please let me know. I'll have to ask the forums to see what's better to replace the whole floor pan. I don't want to, just because I think it'll be a little bit more work. And I just don't know how to do this. So yeah, see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys. So I'm doing a voiceover, obviously. I had some music playing, and I'm doing this because my dad wanted to help out. So whenever my parents see this, let me know. But yeah, this was basically a father-son build, and my dad saw I was sending him pictures as I took the fenders off, and he was like, why aren't you waiting for me? So stopped for a few days until he can come and help me out. As you can see him right there, he's camera shy, but we'll get him to get comfortable with the camera so he can do most of the talking instead of me. But yeah, as you can see, we're taking out the steering wheel. We were kind of fighting the steering shaft just because it was pretty seized up on there. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. As we speak, I am currently working on cutting out that piece actually right under the steering column. But my welder stopped working, so I have to figure that out. And yeah, hopefully this next video comes out a little bit sooner. I might just make it a tad bit shorter. But yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching. Let me know what y'all think. See you next time.